Hey, what's up, traders? Wednesday, May 3rd, 9:05 a.m., and these are your morning ideas. Okay, traders. So big news today is the Fed is at 2 o'clock. The Fed minutes or the statement is at 2 o'clock today. We can see I was completely wrong about the market yesterday. We basically just kind of went in a free fall. I was expecting a test of, the market to probably go up and test again in this 4180 area and probably try to push through into 4200. And we did the opposite. And where does that leave us? So we bounced in the afternoon and we didn't get a continuation. So of course the market looks like, if I bring up the smaller picture. When you get moves like this, it's you usually expect some kind of a continuation. So you get the move, you get the pullback. You usually get some kind of a sideways, and then you get some kind of a continuation. Well, I don't know that we'll get that, especially not this morning. We're trading 83% relative volume overnight, so like the volume is low, but it's mainly because of this announcement at 2 o'clock, and usually we get this in front of the Fed minutes, especially in an uncertain market like we're in now / banking crisis. I think a lot of people are waiting around. I saw a statistic this morning that said that there's an 85% chance that we get another 25 basis points hike by the Fed. It will likely be the last one. The way that the market is setting up, it looks like they may have to cut rates again because of what's going on in the banking world. But if they do hike the rates, which is priced in, I think it'll likely be the last one. I still think that even if they do hike the rates, we will see a lot of volatility today after the announcement. So be aware of that. Be aware of the announcement. Make sure that you're out. I would recommend that you be out of your positions in front of the announcement, just because of the volatility that will likely ensue, whether they say they're going to hike or not. I think that it's one of those things that's already priced in for the hike, but I think that if they do hike, you'll get a lot of a lot of negativity, because the credit, there's a pretty tight credit right now out in the world. Especially in Europe. Europe is even worse. There's no lending going on, and if they continue to increase rates, it makes borrowing more expensive, and there's some signs of deflation going on in the market. There's a lot of things underlying, right? We say that the fundamentals always lag, and that's that is true, but eventually they'll snap back and bite you, right? So I wouldn't be trading around this announcement today even more than usual. I don't usually trade around them anyway, but today I think that there's a lot of underlying stuff going on, and I don't think very much of it is fundamentally good for the market. So could we go up and tag 4180 and go up into this area again? Sure. But yesterday was a troubling sign that we're moving back down towards the middle of the balance area here at 4020, and we've shrugged off another push higher. So again, I don't know. I think that we'll likely be sideways in this area in front of the announcement. I don't think we'll get a lot of movement this morning, and there's just a lot of people just kind of waiting around to see which direction the market goes. And if we do go lower, this 4025 area is an area to watch. Okay, 4025, you got a lot of volume here. You likely get a bounce in the market to get kind of caught up in here, at least initially, and to keep an eye on this. It's kind of like a seesaw, right? If it gets below 4025 and starts moving lower, and you're looking for, we're looking for into the 3800s, right, for the next, kind of big areas. I'm not saying that the market would get there today if we get through 4020, but that's what I'm looking for. If the market gets across the V pocket, starts heading lower into this, this area, that's what I would be looking for. Again, really murky waters here with the Fed announcement today. So I'm going to be more cautious today. I would recommend you do that. Even though I can't recommend you do anything, I would err on the side of caution today. Okay, guys. I also put out a video yesterday about the bracket challenge, the end of the meme challenge, the last week of the meme challenge. So watch the video. I'll put it here after this one in the recommended video so that you guys can, take a look at that, where we're giving away $500 TPT cash, $250 TPT cash for second place. So let me know, guys, and we'll talk to you guys soon.